Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South Village and we're going to take a look at this brand new house that's built. So let's go take a look. This is a corner lot. As you can see, I'll just pan over here. I'm going to walk over here and cut through the garage doors here. Pretty big garage area. We'll take a look at the outside later, but let's go shoot on into the inside. Nice yard area. Wall with lights. Nice. Coming to the front door here. Let's go on in and check it out. Okay, so you immediately walk into big open space. To the left here, this house has security, CCTV cameras, and it also has a solar system. So most of your electricity is free. And then you have the living room area with big sliding glass doors. And we'll just take a look at pan up to show you this. The ceiling above, very nice, with a look over from the upper floor. And then this door here could be used for an office or something. It has a sliding glass door to the back of the property. And then you have the dining room area, which walks out to the back of the property. But we'll walk around the property later. Let's go ahead and check this out here in the kitchen. Sorry, there's not much lighting. Oh, here we go. See, granite tops. I'll just pan. That door leads to the outside again. Kitchen cabinets, counter space over here. I'll show you this area over here, but when we go out, I'll go out that way. So I'll go upstairs first. As you can see, security cameras all around, inside and out. Lighted stairs. You see the ceiling design above the stairs. But we'll get a better shot over here. Show you this. So the ceiling design matches all down through the hallway from above the stairs. Very nice. Then to the right here we have a bedroom. And this bedroom has its own full CR, shower. And then there's another door here that you can go out onto a balcony and cut over to another bedroom, but we'll show you that later because that leads to the master bedroom. And then you got built-in closets here. Then next to this one is another room. All the rooms have new air cons. And then you have the closet space here. Built-in closets. Oh, and this is a full CR too, but unfortunately the door's locked. But it's similar to the other CR in the other room we just saw. And show you a down view. Look at that nice ceiling design, super high ceilings. Looking down into the living area. Again, this is in Portofino South Village, very high end. Only a 1-minute drive to a Via Mall. So you have a built-in closet here. And the same similar style bathroom in this bedroom. It seems all the bathrooms are exactly the same in each bedroom. Now let's go to the master's bedroom. And as you can see, we have this Big wide open space here. AC's over in the corner. You see the ceiling design. And then it's got some built-in cupboards in the bedroom here. But it also has, when you walk into the walk-in closet here, you have covered space all around the whole wall. And then this CR, you have urinal, enclosed shower, and then you have the sink area. So all tiled to the ceiling, very nice. Brand new house. And then this door there, you can either go out that door or you can go out this door, and off the master bedroom, you have this massive balcony area. Huge area. Which, by the way, I'll give you a little glimpse. They have a pool, but they haven't filled it yet. It's just full of rainwater. So big deck up here. Nice. And then this is where that other door I was telling you about, from the one bedroom to the other. So if you had a newborn or something, and that was the baby's room, you could just run from the master's bedroom and attend to the baby or small children. So you're close to your master bedroom. So let's go down outside. I'll show you the pool area. I like this lighting along the stairs. Comes in handy at night. Nice shine on this tile. That's one thing nice in this day and age with solar on the roof. You save a lot of money. Save a lot of money in electricity. See that? Same similar type of shower, and it has a shower over here. So full bathroom. And then come in here. It's like a little room here, or maybe a place where you put your pool stuff, and people can use the shower here from the pool, put shelves or something, or a bedroom, kids room, but probably more of a storage type of setup. And then you have the pool area. It's a little green from the rainwater, but that'll be all brand new. And inside these cabinets here are where you can put the pool equipment for cleaning the pool, and you can put other stuff. It goes in pretty deep, so it's a nice storage area. And then you have the backyard. This is the maid's room, and this is the door to the kitchen. And then again, this is the sliding glass door that we saw from the dining room. And then the side of the house, very nice wall set up with lights on every pillar. That. They haven't put a deck here. I probably put stepping stones. So to give you an idea. Lights in the ceiling so you can light this area up at night, and lights along the wall here. Let's go back through the pool area here. The pool looks like it's about 5 feet deep. I think that's a regulation here in this village, that pools can only be 5 feet deep. So you can see what it looks like to the neighbors. They got some nice palm trees there. And then you come in, here's the driver's room. And then we're back into the garage. Hold a few cars in here, 2 or 3. Put some landscaping, be nice. So let me come out here and just show you your neighbors. Notice you have no neighbors here. No neighbors across the street, and you're pretty much by yourself on this corner, except for this one neighbor there and the one on the back side. So I hope you enjoyed this tour by philhome.com. If you look down the description, you can find the square meterage and the price and the floor area. And you can also find links to go to philhome.com, where you can contact us there, or you can just email sales@philhome.com, or you can go to PhilHome Facebook and just chat with us from your personal Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed this PhilHome video, and thanks for watching.